So now we're gonna using the enhance for statement to total integers in an array, and we are gonna see an example. So we're gonna right click, we're gonna find a new folder, we're gonna name it test, and we're gonna right click it, open in terminal, and we're gonna type in code space that so we can open it in Visual Studio Code. And let's first start doing this project, and then we're gonna talk a little bit of the theory. Okay, so we are gonna name it, we're gonna name it enhanced for test that Java. Okay, so enhance for test using the enhance for statement to total integers in an array. We need to use the public. Okay, it's gonna be public class, and it's gonna be, let me see, it didn't do it automatically. Enhance for test. Okay, to the next line we're gonna open curly braces, and we are gonna have the public static void main. Okay, now we are gonna have the array, so it's gonna be of type integer, and the name of this array is just gonna be array, and this array is gonna have some elements inside of this curly braces. There are gonna be some numbers, so 87, 68, 94, 100, 83, 78, 85, 91, 76, and 87. So we have 3, 6, 9, 10 elements, semicolon at the end. And now we're gonna have this integer, this variable of type integer that is gonna be named total, and we're gonna initialize it to 0. Okay, so now we're gonna add each element. We're gonna add each element's value to total. Okay, to the variable total. Okay, so now we're gonna have the for loop, but this one is gonna be the enhance for statement. So here we're gonna have this variable name number, and it's gonna be of type integer, so number. Now we're gonna use colon, so that's what we do it. And now the name of the array, in this case array. And 1, 2, 3, to the next line we're gonna have the total, and we're gonna use the assignment operator, the addition assignment. So make sure that you do the plus sign first. Don't do this is not, you have to do this, the plus sign first, then the equal sign, and then number. So pretty much you have that the total is going to be assigned the total plus the number, and total and number are variables. Okay, total and number are variables of type integer. So now we're gonna have the system.print format. Okay, print format, and inside of the parentheses we are gonna just print this string total of array elements colon, and we're gonna have the percent sign lowercase letter d, and now to the next line as our first argument, and the second argument is gonna be the total because we are using it as a sum, so we are adding each element's value to the total. Okay, so let me see, and now we're gonna sum these 10 elements, so in this case are numbers, and let's see. Okay, the result is 849, as you can see. So now a little bit of the theory behind this. The enhance for statement iterates through the elements of an array without using counter, thus avoiding the possibility of stepping outside the array. Okay, so the syntax of an enhance for statement is here. We can center in, well, number 9. We have the for loop, and inside of the parentheses we are gonna have the parameter. So this is the parameter, this type. We have the variable number of type integer, this would be the parameter, and this is the array name, and the array name in this case is just array. Okay, and then this would be the statement. So that is the syntax of an enhanced for statement. Okay, so this is the parameter, where parameter has a type and an identifier. Okay, and the array name, this is the array name, and the array name is the array through which to iterate. The type of the parameter must be consistent with the type of the elements in the array.